Smart IELTS Prediction and Last-Minute Strategies, 22nd October 2025, IDP and British Council. Before starting, join our Telegram group for latest speaking and writing topics, plus reading PDFs and listening audios. Solve full listening practice tests on our YouTube channel. Visit our websites for cue cards, Band 9 essays, and CBT mock tests. Websites: www.ielts1stop.com, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Speaking, cue cards and paths. Tips for 22nd October. Speak naturally, avoid memorized answers. Use connectors like on reflection. Another point worth mentioning is always give personal examples to sound authentic. Join our one-to-one IELTS speaking and writing classes, options, 7-day crash course or 1-month program. Demo class is free. Book now via WhatsApp, Instagram or Telegram. Pin likely cue cards. 1. Describe a person with strong opinions. 2. Describe a party you enjoyed. 3. Describe a prize you won or received. 4. Describe an outdoor activity you enjoy. 5. Describe a crowded public place you visited. 6. Describe a book that changed your perspective. 7. Describe a useful piece of technology you often use. 8. Describe a friend who is good at giving advice. 9. Describe a time you showed something new to someone. 10. Describe an occasion when you were very happy. Part 1 Themes: Daily routine, sports, hometown, technology, traditional celebrations. Part 3 Themes: Importance of teamwork, role of traditions, influence of technology on relationships, value of opinions. Band 9 Speaking Samples. Website: www.ielts1stop.com. Writing, task predictions and advice. 1. Writing strategies for 22nd October. Draft quick ideas in bullet points before writing. Use clear topic sentences to guide examiner through your essay. Balance formal tone with natural flow. Avoid repetition, use synonyms smartly. Pin academic task 1 predictions. Line graph, education or population growth, pie chart, household spending, table, exports-imports data, process, food production or recycling system. Academic task 2 high probability topics. 1. Impact of advertisements on children, agree-disagree. 2. Some people believe studying abroad is beneficial, others disagree, discuss both. 3. Should governments invest in space exploration, opinion. 4. Advantages and disadvantages of remote working. 5. Is job satisfaction more important than salary? Discuss. GT letter predictions. Apologizing to a friend for missing an event, requesting information about a training program, complaint about delayed delivery, inviting a colleague to your housewarming, asking neighbor to look after your pet during travel. Free Band 9 samples. Website: www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Reading, trends and themes. 1. Reading tips for 22nd October. Highlight synonyms in questions to match with text. For match information, read around the keyword, not just the sentence. Use elimination for MCQs when confused. Pin likely academic topics. Artificial intelligence in medicine, history of communication methods, space exploration and its impact, psychology of decision making, urbanization and transport systems, animal migration and behavior. GT reading topics: workplace health and safety instructions, travel insurance brochures, housing rental ads and contracts, job application guides, complaint and service notices. Practice with real-style tests. Website: www.ielts1stop.com. Listening, expected sections. 1. Listening tips for 22nd October. Underline keywords in questions before audio begins. Distractors are common, listen for corrections. Write in capital letters to avoid spelling errors. Pin likely pattern. Section 1. Booking inquiry, car rental or hotel. Section 2. Talk about a park or city facility, map or MCQ. Section 3. Group of students planning a presentation. Section 4, lecture on science or environment, climate, history, biology. Listen to latest tests on our YouTube channel. Website www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Final smart strategies. Writing, keep structure simple, clarity is better than complexity. Reading, don't get stuck, move on and return later if unsure. Listening, pay close attention to numbers, dates and spellings. Speaking, confidence plus natural tone equals higher fluency score. Free resources to boost score. New cue card PDF, www.ielts1stop.com. Latest essays and vocabulary, visit site. CBT mock tests, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Daily study material, Telegram. IELTS One Stop Community. Telegram group, join now. Smart Prep, www.ielts1stop.com. Free CBT practice, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. All the best for 22nd October IELTS exam. Stay calm, practice daily and aim for band 7+.